the easiest holiday dessert ever that'll be loved by kids and adults, and it'll only take a few minutes and a few ingredients. These caramelized bananas are the perfect last minute dessert idea, and they're great if you're hosting your first dinner party this holiday season. The full recipe is going to be linked down below, so make sure to check it out for all the numbers, and let's get started with our bananas. And you want to make sure that you get some nice ripe yellow bananas, and make sure they're not limp. It won't work well if the bananas are limp, as your final dish might turn mushy. So heat up a pan on medium heat and then add in the sugar, the butter, and just a splash of cream. Then once the butter and sugar mixture is bubbling slightly, then add in a sprinkle of your apple pie spice, which is made out of ground green cardamom, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ground ginger. Give that a quick stir, and then quickly after add in the sliced bananas. This is the easiest part now. Cook it for just about a minute or two on each side, or until you see that the bananas have a rich glaze all over and the sauce, that caramel, has thickened slightly. By the way, if you want to make it a bit boozy, a bit dirty, you can add a splash of brandy or rum at this stage, and then just simmer that off for about 30 seconds to a minute. And if you want more recipes with bananas, then let me know down below, and be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any holiday inspired recipes, just to make your life easy. Now once the bananas are starting to look a bit like this, then all you gotta do is spoon that glaze over your bananas, serve it, add some more glaze over those bananas, and then have it with some ice cream or whipped cream. If you enjoyed these easy caramelized bananas, you're gonna love my pumpkin bread pudding that's loaded with bananas. See you in the next one. Bye.